Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over integrals. Here's our first example. To solve it, we first need to use the sum rule. To explain, the sum rule states that the integral of f of x plus or minus g of x equals the integral of f of x plus or minus the integral of g of x. This means that, by using the sum rule, we can simplify our workflow by solving the integrals of each term separately. In addition to the sum rule, we can use the product rule to solve the first term, t to the sixth power, along with the constant rule to receive the derivative of 2. This actually completes our calculation process. All we need to do now is add a constant, or c. Now, for our second example. Once again, we will use the sum rule in conjunction with the power rule to solve all three terms. Then, we can add our constant. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/mathsolutionsx.